Hello, friends. I'm with Dr. Aditi, and she is qualified in the recently conducted INI CET July. So, Aditi, please give your full name, your college, your rank.
Hello, I'm Aditi K. Murthy. I'm from Bangalore Medical College and I have got a rank of 85 in INICET.
Huge congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
How does it feel out of so many thousands to get it within 100?
It feels incredible, sir.
Great. And this is your first exam, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That you were eligible for.
Yes, sir.
So, it's amazing. So, you've cracked the exam just the moment you finish your internship. And I mean, immediately post internship, I think the first exam you gave, you were able to get through.
Yes.
That's really remarkable. So, Aditi, I'm sure your classmates, your juniors, a lot of people are looking at this and hoping to learn from your journey. So, when did you start preparing and how was it?
I started preparing in my third year, sir. I had joined DBMCI Foundation batch and I had made all the notes of all the subjects in the third year and fourth year.
Great.
And in internship, it was mainly just the revision of the notes and MCQ practice.
Right. So, I think you've been with us for 3 years now.
Yes, sir.
And you happen to have the chance of attending both face to face as well as online.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, Aditi, how would you find, is there a difference and what differences you found between the face to face classes and the online?
I prefer face to face classes, sir, because there is live interaction with the professors and there is a sort of compulsion to sit and listen to the class, which is hard to find at home.
Right. So it's that willpower to continue
Yes,
with the class, not switch it off and go somewhere.
Yes.
That willpower, I think, is much better when you are in a face to face environment. Correct. So, how is your journey in these 3 years? Like you made your notes in the UG, and then in internship you were revising and you were consolidating your notes. How was it like? Did you have to add a lot of stuff in your notes? Whatever your input is.
The notes which I made in third and fourth year, I have hardly changed, sir, except for PSM, which of course there will be a lot of updates. Other than that, medicine, surgery, and anatomy, all the other subjects, there was hardly any change. Maybe as and when the exams were conducted, like in 2020, those questions, those topics, if there was any new topic, I used to add those things. But the basic concept remained the same, sir.
Fantastic. Okay. So, what faculties you thought were really
Of course, sir. Dr. Tamim, sir, you are I can say the best faculty there is in medicine. Dr. Rajat, sir, for radiology, and Dr. Ashwini, sir, for anatomy. I think these were my favorite faculty.
faculties, right? So I think now we have a very comprehensive thing. We have eGurukul online, then we have the face-to-face classes, the online sessions are there, the LMRP is there, the Vibe session is there. Were you able to use most of these resources, and what you found very useful?
Sir, I think most useful was the DBMCI mock exams which happened. I felt they were very close to the real exam. They were almost, you can say,
The representative
yeah,
of the actual
representative.
questions, right?
Yes, sir. And also there was the center based exam which I had given in March. That also gave me the real feel of the exam. As I had not, this was my first exam. I wanted to have that real,
Simulation.
yeah. That also helped me a lot, sir.
Okay, right. So there must be something special you must have done to get this kind of a rank compared to so many thousands who are preparing. What do you think that extra thing you did that helped?
Sir, for me, I think in during my UG days also, I was very much interested in quizzes, and I used to attend almost all the quizzes in my college and various other colleges. I think that made me have that motivation to keep on studying.
So I think this passion of getting into quizzes and
Yes.
having this regular quizzing sessions will boost you to prepare a lot,
Yes.
and it will motivate you to keep taking your overall subject knowledge to a higher level.
Yes.
So were you winning in some of these quizzes? Are you participating?
Yes, sir. I mean, yeah, I in state level and a couple national level also, and you can get to know where you stand also, sir, in these quizzes, and you get to compete with other college people. There's a lot of exchange of knowledge which happens, exchange of contacts, and that's a really good thing, a good habit to build is to participate in the quizzes.
Great, great. So I think these medical quizzes that the
Yeah.
colleges are conducting now are a real boon, and I think students should participate in that. It will expose them to the other crowd, and their knowledge will definitely increase.
Yes, sir.
So I think fantastic input from you. My best wishes to you.
Thank
Any
you, sir.
final words of advice to your junior?
I would say it's possible for anyone. Whatever your dream is, go after it. Don't give up. And all the best.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Aditi.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.